So I lost $40,000 today trading in the stock market. And in this video, I want to break down lessons learned and what next time I would have done differently. And I'll just start things off by showing you this chart. You can see the ticker symbol is HUM, and it's currently down 16% on the day. And now on this screen, I'm going to show you my software. You can see here, yesterday was the first. Today is the second, and you can see these orders on ticker symbol HUM puts. This is when the orders on my software came in. My software essentially gave me this signal to go short on HUM and the exact contracts that I would have bought. And I say I would have bought because I had a limit order set to get filled on HUM, equivalent to $15,000 worth of these HUM contracts, and I didn't get filled. Now, obviously this morning, you can see HUM, well, aftermarket and pre-market was down at one point about 25%. These same contracts that yesterday were going for around $1,400 a contract today are going for, at this current time, $3,400. I missed out on a nearly 280% move. I could have capitalized and made about $38,000 to $40,000. And I didn't because I went against my rule. And I preach this all the time. And after 8 years of trading, you have to realize that I still make mistakes. This was a simple mistake where I went against my personal trading rules, which is to never sweat an entry. I was being too cheap and I didn't want to pay an extra $150 for these contracts. My order was sitting on the order book right into the close and I didn't get filled. If I had just gone in with a market order, I would have gotten filled. And upon the market opening today, I would have made about 40 grand. It made me a little sick. I'm not gonna lie. I've been trading for a long time, but to have missed out on just such an incredible trade overnight, this quite literal textbook setup that came in on my software. I'm disappointed in myself for not following my rules, but I just want to be transparent and I wanted to show you guys this because while I am frustrated and I have a lot of emotions and I'm going to reflect more and think about more reasons as to why I was cheap and I didn't just go in with a market order. Maybe I just have too much on a position size. I have to reflect. You guys need to do the same. You first need to have rules that you've set in place for your own trading. You have to stick to them. And when you don't, you have to reflect. That's the only way as traders we can grow. We have to learn from our mistakes, and maybe it just takes you losing $40,000 to learn. But after enough times, I think hopefully you'll get to the point where, you won't make these mistakes. You'll be able to stick to your plan. A phenomenal trade. I am excited just to see how this would have played out if I was in. And it just makes me excited to want to trade more. And it wasn't even the only trade that played out today. I don't even want to get into this, but I missed out on another 25% move to the upside on ticker symbol YINN. Yesterday, you can see here on my software, all of these YINN calls, these came in at 248, so right around here. And then YINN gapped up pre-market about 25%, opened about 20% in the green. Another 300% trade. This one, I wasn't trying to get into, but it just makes me excited to see that these are the opportunities out there when you have an edge. Find those opportunities. But again, having my order sitting on the order book, not just going in for market. At the end of the day, the lesson learned here is never sweat your entries. I was worried about a couple percent or being down a couple $100 on the entry, and in return, I missed out on tens of thousands of dollars in returns. Now, if you're looking to trade, if you want to have access to see and copy my trades, these trades that I'm showing you in the software, you might have access to in the future if you join my mentorship. I'm slowly giving students that I work with access to this software. But in the meantime, you can join my live trading sessions in the morning. You can follow my trades and you can learn this lifelong skill. I'll put a link in the description below where you can sign up, and I hope to see you over there. And I look forward to working with you. Subscribe for more, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.